Good morning.
Good morning. We're tired.
Yeah, we're still tired even though we had a day of rest,
and
but...
we slept a long time, so I think I was asleep before 10.
Yeah.
And I think Aaron probably was asleep before 10 too. So we slept from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m.
I know, we're leaving.
And I'm like thinking to myself, wow, if I'm really tired right now, what would we have felt like if we would have went to the park all day yesterday? I think we would have been dead.
Maybe. But now we've got to get back. We've got to get our blood flowing to the early morning, late night schedule. This is good 2 days, and it's really cold, so that's a good way to jumpstart our system.
It's really cold.
Yeah, it's like mid-50s, but we're wearing our shorts anyway because it's supposed to heat up. We're going.
The high's only supposed to be like 64 today.
No, it's actually, look, it's 71.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, 72 tomorrow actually. So the next 2 days will be fine. Then it drops to 64 on Thanksgiving. But. Whew.
We're walking a new way.
Oh yeah, we're going a different way. This is prettier. Not as...
I feel like it's shorter, and it's not as scary.
Yeah.
Because before, like, in the other video you probably saw, we were walking, like, super close to all these cars and all these lanes of traffic.
Like an expressway exit or entrance.
Yeah, but this way is nice.
Yeah, this way is more...
And there's the parking structure right there.
Uh-huh. Yeah, this way is more residential. Well, because it is residential.
This is Walnut
Yep.
Street.
Anyway, we're heading to DCA. I think we're gonna grab Radiator Fast Passes and we're gonna go on Critic Coaster as many times as we can before the line gets long.
What is that? Does that sound like an idea? Yeah.
He said yeah.
I wonder how many times we'll get to go.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll find out. We'll let you know. All right, bye. Hey, we just got through rope drop for DCA and we're on our way to Critic Coaster.
We're at Disney.
Yep.
Day 6 out of the entire trip.
Guess what?
Chicken butt.
My heart fluttered a little. It said today's performances on the board out there, but the times it said paint the night parade, and I'm like, what? No. But my heart still fluttered a little. Then I asked the guy, he's like, no, it's not happening. Well, the color covered. Why can't I cover paint the night?
Oh, they're holding you up.
Head back, face forward, and hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Aaron's favorite ride.
Guys, Aaron here. We're in line for the, fourth time today on Critic Coaster.
Yeah, talk really loud so the music's really loud. You gotta talk really loud. I couldn't hear you.
Fourth time going on Critic Coaster today.
And it's 8:30.
Yeah.
I'm just taking a video.
Nom nom cookie.
So we went on it 5 times in a row. That's pretty cool. Oops.
I have second rule.
Does it taste as good as the ride smells?
It tastes better than the ride smells.
Cool, I'll have to try it by here in a second. It's pretty big. So we grabbed 10 o'clock Guardians. We got a 9:20 Racers Pass that we can use right now. So once we finish eating, we'll do both of those things. Then we might head over to Disneyland.
Oh my gosh, don't wipe your...
I'll get some napkins.
Don't wipe your hands on your...
Okay, bye.
You have a napkin.
Okay, we're good. And I guess this is the interview portion of the vacation.
So, do you want to ask me?
No, it's not in here.
Oh, okay.
But, we're just finished eating lunch and my tooth almost came out when I was eating my sandwich.
Might come out today at the bottom.
This white one right here. It's kind of red at the bottom.
Yeah. So we're gonna head over. We're gonna do jumping jellyfish. Then Aaron will only have one ride
left of all of California Adventure.
Right, to do this trip.
To do this trip.
He's already done it before.
We did Ready Car Trolley today.
Yeah. So we're gonna head over to Disney, and then after we do jumping jellyfish, we're gonna head over to Disneyland. We've got Matterhorn Fast Passes due pretty shortly.
We're works out really good.
Yeah, it works out really well.
We did California Screaming, what, 6 times today?
Yeah,
Credit
6.
coaster.
That's what I mean. Credit goes there 6 times today. We did Radiator Springs Racers. We did Guardians of the Galaxy. Is that it?
That it.
Well, that's it.
That's
But I mean,
it.
like, it's crazy because we went on Incredicoaster 5 times in a row. Then we got our Fast Pass for Radiator Springs. We went on Radiator Springs, had our Fast Pass for Guardians, went on Guardians, and our Fast Pass for Incredicoaster again, got that. And we got to have a cookie num num that you probably saw, our chocolate ice cream cone. We had our dessert before lunch.
We had the cookie num num after the 5 times, though, not.
Yeah, and then after our Fast Pass for Incredicoaster, the chocolate was working, so we got chocolate. Because we were going to have a cookie num num and then right afterwards get a chocolate ice cream cone, but the chocolate was down. So we had to wait. We couldn't get a cookie and ice cream back to back.
Alright, let's get going.
But wait, I want to tell you something. I figured out that Aaron likes club sandwiches.
Cool.
Except I don't get the pesto on the one I got today.
And you don't like the bacon, so we just take the bacon off.
And I like pesto, so I got the pesto on the side, and then I got tomato. And I had a little bit of his lettuce, so I had like a tomato, bacon, lettuce, pesto sandwich.
A BLT.
Salad. Not
Yeah, salad. Yeah, right. I didn't have bread until he couldn't finish the sandwich.
Alright. Okay.
Sourdough.
Are we done here?
It was good.
Alright, get closer. What's up?
So, jumping jellyfish, Aaron, what did you say about it?
It's like the training hole in the mini golf course, and then the main course is Guardians of the Galaxy.
That's cool.
If you can handle that, and you like that sensation, you might be able to go to Guardians.
Yeah. Do you get the drop feeling at all? Just a tiny bit?
Tiny bit.
Tiny bit.
Yeah. Alright, off to Disneyland.
Wait.
Oh.
I'm gonna do Pixie Dust to transport there.
Okay. And we're here. Alright, let's go.
Did it. I was supposed to be me who was doing it.
Oh, you both, well, that was the magic. You transferred the power from you onto her.
Oh.
Hey, Matterhorn time and then Roger Rabbit time. Here, give me your ticket. Give me your ticket. Thank you. Here we leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy.
And it's only 12:24.
Nice. We've done a lot. This is good. This is a good start to the day.
Almost 12 hours.
Holy cow! Don't say it like that. Fairly busy day, but I was actually expecting worse. Well, this isn't the heaviest of the crowds yet, but it doesn't really matter. We can use Max Pass to our advantage. We've already done almost all the rides we want to do, so it's just fun time. Taking our first bite of the s'mores parfait so far. What do you think?
Chocolatey.
Nice.
But you know what?
Take a bite.
What number dessert is this today?
Like 3 or 4 at least. It's definitely 3, probably 4. That's alright, we're on vacation. Aaron's having another magical Mickey pretzel with icy. Well deserved.
Oh my god.
Ah, you hit the marshmallow. Definitely the park's busy. We were thinking about going on It's a Small World, but it was a 55-minute wait, so we just passed on by. But it's not bad. We've already done most of the rides we want to do, so we can just enjoy being in the park. We have a Fast Pass for Splash at 3:20, I believe. And we'll slowly make our way over there. It's 1:40 right now.
What do you think?
Really good.
Belongings, including lightsabers and astro blasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop in the station. Please make sure you have all personal items when exiting the train. Thank you.
Who needs goose when you got a ham? Bob was so poor because Scrooge was so cheap. How cheap was he? He was so cheap he wouldn't tip his hat.
He was so cheap he wouldn't put 2 cents into the conversation.
He was so cheap he didn't pay for a third joke. Merry Christmas.
Scrooge was next visited by his well-mannered
And devastatingly handsome
Nephew Fred.
Merry Christmas, Uncle! Oh, Christmas, a hamburger. Why, Uncle, I've always thought of Christmas as a pleasant time. A kind, forgiving, and charitable time. There's a little scrap of gold in my pocket. I've been giving Christmas hats on the golden eye. Say, God bless it. Uncle!
Alright, we're about to do trip number 10
Trip number 10?
on a credit coaster, but it broke down, so we're knocking Luigi's off the list, and then we've been on every
ride at California Adventure this trip.
Yeah, this trip. That's pretty cool. And then after this, we'll see if Incredicoaster's back up. If not, we might go over to Guardians and use our Magical Fast Pass
You're
there.
not scared of this ride anymore.
Wait a minute. Look. Let's look deep into his eyes. Oh, I see fear. What's wrong?
I don't know what this is, but it was super hot. And the tongue is burning. Okay, that's enough.
I've got one question for you. Why the heck are you eating so much of that hot chocolate?
Oh, it's not even good.
Yeah, I know exactly. That's the thing. You're eating.
There's sugar!
Yeah, is that what it is? You just need sugar? Because it's almost, what is it, 10:30 at night? Well, let's see, what time is it? Oh, it's only 10:15. But yeah, you need sugar to get you going.
10:15 was when that fast pass was due.
Right, exactly. Yeah, yeah. We just barely squeaked in. Now we're off to another thrill ride. It's a small world. And I want to keep this short because I'm trying to get a Big Thunder Fast Pass. All that pops up right now is Splash Mountain. Sometimes Indiana Jones. If Indiana Jones pops up one more time, I'm just grabbing it. I don't care. All right, bye. Got 15 minutes to go until the park closes, and it looks like Mommy's gonna make it.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I did fall asleep on It's a Small World and Storybook Land Canal once I fell
You did?
asleep. Yeah.
I wasn't paying attention. I was too entranced with all the miniatures. Are you doing okay, bud?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Tomorrow's gonna be tough, I think.
Yes.
None of us are gonna want to get up, but we will, because we have to get at least another 5 more rides in on Incredicoaster tomorrow morning. Well,
I want to shoot for 10.
10. Well, that's
They can
lofty.
even 11. No, don't have Arrow been on it 20 times.
All right, yeah, we're at 9 right now. All right, now we got Big Thunder, then Matterhorn Fast Passes, and then we're gonna try to hit Alice maybe too. I like Alice. Bye.
Yeah, it's a little bit off.
Yeah, live from Orlando, and it's like 3:45 in Orlando right now.
3:45 a.m. in Orlando, guys. I don't even know why you're up at just watching this, but it's kind of.
Oh.
I don't know if I'm getting a coffee.
Uh-oh.
I ordered a coffee, a large one, and on my receipt it says cup of water, and I was only charged for Aaron's Frappuccino.
Why didn't you...
I don't know, my receipt's weird.
Well, why didn't you say something?
It says I'm getting a Venti chocolate chip cream Frappuccino, a Venti cup of water with room, and a grand cup of water.
So they're turning lights off. Good luck. We're all really tired. Okay, bye. Because it's probably close to closing. Mommy was just bragging about scamming Starbucks out of a free coffee, I guess. I'm not sure what the story is, and I don't really want to know.
I do tell you. I'll tell you. So I ordered Aaron's cappuccino.
At what? Oh, it's 10 minutes to 1 a.m. It's 12:50 in the morning.
Yeah,
He's...
anyway, so... And I wanted a coffee, so I got a coffee. And then she's like, well, what size do you want? And I said, the largest ones for both of them, whenever they're, I don't know, I don't go to Starbucks.
Is that what you said?
Basically. And then she goes, okay. And I go, oh, do you guys have ice butter? Because I'd like an ice butter too. And she's like, okay. So then she got me like a medium-sized ice butter and a big ice butter.
Yeah.
And a receipt with that frappuccino, but no coffee. And I'm like, oh no. But then she said, oh, their coffee is still brewing, ma'am. So I got a free coffee. I don't know. I didn't pay for it. I only paid $5.95, which was the price of the frappuccino.
Which is kind of crazy.
And that's kind of boring. We gotta go this way.
Okay. So I think this might be the last video. Yeah, we're gonna get home back to the room about 1:15, 1:20 in the morning. We decided that we're gonna want to sleep in just a tiny bit, so we might make it a late morning, like maybe 9 a.m. Head to the parks maybe a little bit later. We've done a ton today. How many rides did we go on? 28?
28, yeah.
That's crazy. Considering.
I went on credit coaster 6 times.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, we definitely have to go on at least one more time tomorrow to hit and make it an even 10 times total. But today's been a good day. Busy, long, and long.
But at least yesterday we got to rest.
Yeah, that's
now
true.
We're not waking up early tomorrow to hit actually early entry.
Yeah. All right, buddy. We're coming back to the parks tomorrow, so I don't have to ask where we go next, but Aaron, press the button.